by now we will find out the value of 0 degree. Zero degree, theta is equal to 0 degree. I would say B, C. This is a theta. This theta will be 0 degree. How can it be possible? If we move in this way. That is next angle. L shifted here, A, C, B. Another angle, this is theta. C will be shifted here, this C shifted here. Next angle. This C, B, A. This is perpendicular. This is your base. This is hypotenuse. So perpendicular is decreasing. This is P. Gradually the perpendicular is decreasing, then theta will be decreasing. Theta. Next. If AC and AC coincide with BC, that is A, B, comma B. AC and BC are coincide each other, then perpendicular P will be 0, and base is equal to hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. This is also hypotenuse. Base is equal to hypotenuse is equal to 1. Let in this case theta will be decreasing to theta is equal to 0 degree. So for the angle 0 degree, perpendicular is equal to 0, base is equal to hypotenuse is equal to let 1. So we know the sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is the value of perpendicular? Value of perpendicular is 0. What is the value of hypotenuse? Is equal to 1. So 0 by 1 is equal to 0. So sin 0 is equal to what? 0. Similarly, cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. What is the value of base? Base is equal to 1. What is the value of hypotenuse? Hypotenuse, the value of hypotenuse is equal to 1, that is 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Then tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. What is the value of perpendicular? Value of perpendicular is 0 and base is equal to 1. Sin 0, tan 0, 0. Perpendicular by base 0 by 0. So cos theta is equal to 1, tan theta is equal to 0. So cosec square theta is equal to what? Just reciprocal of sin. So 1 by 0 is equal to infinite undefined, and sec theta is equal to 1. So cos theta is equal to 1, then sec theta will be reciprocal of cos theta, that is 1. And tan theta is equal to 0, cot theta is equal to reciprocal of cos theta is equal to infinity. Okay, so for 0 degree we will take angle A is equal to 0 degree. How we will take it? So just decreasing the angle. So this is a C point will be just decreasing the perpendicular. C shifted from C here C, then it is coincide with AB and C AC. Then theta is equal to 0 degree. in that case perpendicular will be 0 and base coincide with hypotenuse. Base is equal to hypotenuse equal to 1. Therefore perpendicular is equal to 0, base is equal to hypotenuse equal to 1. In this way you can determine the value of 0 degree. Now -90 degree. This theta will be shifted to 90 degree. How can it be possible? If this moves here, C moves here, then here, and after that it coincides here, like this. This is a theta. C is shifted to here, C is shifted here. So angle is increasing. After that it will coincide with the point. This is your base. This is your base. This is your base. After this, base will be equal to 0. Coincide. Base is decreasing. After that, base will be equal to 0. This is perpendicular. This is perpendicular. This is perpendicular. Is equal to hypotenuse. Both are coincide. Sin theta is equal to 0. Is equal to let. This is equal to 1. Let. So sin theta is equal to what? Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. That is perpendicular is equal to 1. Hypotenuse 1 is equal to 1. That is sin 90 is equal to 1. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. What is this base? Is equal to 0. What is the value of hypotenuse? 1. Base is equal to 0. Hypotenuse is equal to 1. So is equal to 0. Sin 90 0. Tan, what is the value of tan 90? Tan 90 degree is equal to what? Tan 90 degree is equal to what? Tan 90 degree is equal to tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular value of perpendicular is equal to 1. Base is equal to 0. Something by 0 is equal to undefined. That is undefined. So 90 degree, sin 90 degree is equal to what? 1. How will you get? This is C angle will be gradually increasing when it will coincide C with B, then angle C will be 90 degree. Then in that case base will be 0 and perpendicular and hypotenuse equal to 1. Then put the value of perpendicular base hypotenuse equal to 1 and base equal to 0 in the formula. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. You will get the result. Similarly, so cos theta is equal to cosec theta is equal to what? Reciprocal of sin theta, that is 1. Sec theta is equal to what? Reciprocal of 0 is equal to undefined. And cot theta is equal to what? Cot theta is equal to reciprocal of undefined is equal to 0. This is a table. Preparing this table in this way. In the another way, shortcut way, you can easily determine the table. I will give the this. I'll give this. How will you remember or prepare the table very easily? This is a shortcut method. What is the shortcut method? Write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide each of the term by 4. And takes square root. Take square root. So what is the value of 0 by something? Is equal to 0. So sine 0 degree is equal to 0. This value is half. Root over 1 is equal to 1. Root over 4 is equal to 2. 45, this cancel out. This will be 1 by root 2. This value will be 1 by root 2. This value will be root 3 by 2. This value will be 1. In case of cos theta, cos angles, write down just in opposite direction. 1, that is cos 0 degree 1, cos 30 root 3 by 2, then 45 1 by root 2, then 60 1 by 2, then 0. And tan theta, what is the value of tan theta? That is tan 0 degree is equal to sine by cos. Sine is 0 by 1 is equal to 0. Then sine by cos, sine 30 degree is equal to this value by this, divided it, that is half into 2 by root 3. 2 to cancel out, that is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. If you divide these two value, that is this by this, is equal to 1 by root 3. If you divide this by this, is equal to 1. Tan 45 1. Okay. If you divide these two value, that is root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1, cancel out 2 2, that is root 3 only. This is root 3. And finally, if you divide sin theta by 1 by 0 is equal to undefined, that is sin 90 undefined. Okay, this is the end of the lecture. You will prepare your answer sheet and send me to the WhatsApp number. Okay.